the baby bulls unleash Magoo all over the baby bears with a massive, like, $2,000 pump. Are the baby bulls back in business, or are the baby bears just wetting their whistle before delivering another reach-around surprise to the baby bulls? And is this mega whale single-handedly scooping up all the panic-sold Bitcoin from the baby bears? Let's find out. I'm your host, Gunther Goo, and what I'm about to show you is bigger than your wife's desire to leave you and find someone better. Absolutely time-sensitive alerts. Well, guys, make sure to drop your comment below. Make sure to never respond to any scammers. I have one Twitter and one Instagram, and they're linked below, and every other account is fake. They buy a lot of followers, so it looks as though they have real followers to trick you, but they're not real. They're fake. As well, if you're interested in any deals or bonuses, securing your crypto, trading, altcoins, make sure to check out everything below. Without any further ado, let's jump in. Wow, this isn't just big, it's ginormous. So guys, we have Bitcoin absolutely exploding a couple of percent to the upside here after a devastating 3 months of getting dumped on. But is this just some sort of dead cat bounce? Is this true at the bottom? Is it the beginning of a reversal? Or in fact, is it something much, much more devastating? So here we have Bitcoin holding on to baby gains after ahead of a crucial Fed rate hike comment. Bitcoin held on to this, it did break above 37K after getting dumped on all the way below 33K. But the Fed's Open Market Committee, FOMC, is set to meet Wednesday, and any news regarding interest rate hikes could have instant repercussions for both traditional and crypto markets. Price reversion in cryptos is likely to spread this year after assets were a poster child of speculative inflationary excess last year, and Bitcoin stands to come out ahead, said Mike McGlone, the chief commodity strategist at Bloomberg Intelligence. And here you see the correlation basically being 1-to-1 with Bitcoin and the stock market just following each other completely. So that's absolutely big, potentially even ginormous. But if we take a look here, stop panic selling. Bitcoin whales bags spare Bitcoin as exchange balances fall here. So Bitcoin is being aggressively bought up close to 30K. We haven't gone quite down to 30K at this point, at this very second. However, there seems to be some aggressive buying there as bidders begin to soak up liquidity from short-term sellers here. Now, this is very interesting as well. So there is a person, or a whale you could say here, that has been buying a lot of Bitcoin. Okay, so they went from $0 about 5 months ago in this account to over $1 billion. Okay, so that's a lot. And you can see this tweet here: stop panic selling your Bitcoin to this guy. He's been buying $2 to $18 million worth every few hours of Bitcoin. And he's buying about 30 times per day. And within the last 5 months, that wallet's gone from $0 to $1 billion in Bitcoin. So somebody's buying it, right? And I'll tell you one thing that I haven't done. I'll tell you something that I didn't do when Bitcoin hit 33K, and something I didn't do when Bitcoin even hit where it is right now. I didn't sell. Why would I do that? Granted, some of the Bitcoin that I have still, I bought around for $5,000, $10,000, $15,000 over the past few years, and even, different ranges like that. And obviously, if you're in massive if you've been in crypto for years, then it's not dumb to really sell if you're in profit anyway. But the point is, right here, it's probably, after 3 straight months of getting dumped on, getting the price literally cut in half, and even a little below that for so far a few days. Again, that's how babies lose money, okay? That's not how you make money. And the narrative, well, why not sell at 36K because we're going all the way down to 20? Okay, if you believe that, then maybe that is smart. But if you believe that, again, it depends on what you believe. But again, one thing we did see here with the daily chart is clearly this volume is somewhat decent. We've had pitiful volume for months, and now we have finally some return to volume here. This is on Gemini. I think Coinbase is a chart everyone really has been looking at. If we go to the daily chart, you can see, there's some decent increase in volume here. But again, we're waiting to see. There's a lot more I think that we have to wait to see yet, because we've gotten straight dumped on, and this bounce, it feels okay, but so far it's not that big of a bounce, to be honest. Well, we get dumped on for 3 straight months, and then we get a nice 10% pump. That's okay. But realistically, I'm not even going to get excited until we break $41,000 US. So a couple $1,000s away still, and that's just the beginning requirement, in my opinion, to get excited about this. And as well, the stock market We're still underneath the 200-day moving average. So that'll be very interesting to see if this can really make any sort of move to the upside. Because if it cannot and it gets rejected here, what do you think Bitcoin will do? Okay, it's anyone's guess, but probably 9 out of 10 times what Bitcoin will do is follow the SPX. So you guys are new to the channel, make sure to like, subscribe, tune in, miss these absolute time sense alerts. So make sure to drop your comment below. It is for subscribers. Never send anyone your crypto. Again, my one Instagram and one Twitter are linked below this video. And those are the only real ones. Every single other one that contacts you is fake. If you're interested in any deals, make sure to check everything out below. Without any further ado, that's it for me.